Hello everyone. So, if we consider the most important topics of class 10th CBSE in physics, so we come across two things or two chapters. The first one is called light, and the second one is called electricity. These are two most important chapter. Okay. So, I am going to deal one peculiar concept based on light. So, I have seen that there is many confusion over this concept. Suppose if I will ask, what do you mean by focus of a concave or convex mirror? My answer is like that. Suppose we have a convex mirror, this is our concave mirror, okay. So, my answer will be something like that. Focus is a point on the principal axis, okay, at which all the rays which is parallel to principal axis passes through it after reflection from mirror or appear to pass through it in case of convex mirror. Now, my immediate question is that each focus is defined for all rays which are parallel to principal axis, because in many books it has been written that focus is means point on the principal axis at which all the rays which is parallel to principal axis passes through it after reflection in case of a concave and appear to pass through it in case of a convex mirror. Now, my question is it focus is defined for all such kind of rays? So, let us go in a deep detail over this thing. So, we have a focus. So, we know that actually concave and convex are a part of a spherical mirror. So, through one piece of concave or convex, we can draw the whole spherical mirror like this. Suppose this is my concave mirror I have got. Okay. So, if I will just put it like dotted so that it can we can complete the whole circle, and this is principal axis. So, you know that the center of curvature will lie here. So, this is our center of curvature, this is our pole, and this is our focus in between. Okay. Now, we examine, now I can easily rub this thing, because my intuition to make this dotted is to complete the circle and to get where the center of curvature and the focus will be. Okay. My line is a slightly means tilted, so I will make a straight line. So, it will be look like this, okay, and here I have drawn center of curvature and this is my focus, okay. So, if I will draw this line, this line, this is almost parallel to principal axis. So, you know that the line joining from center of curvature to any part of the mirror is in fact a normal to the mirror like this. So, this will be normal here like this 90-degree angle formation. So, it's act as a normal like this. Suppose we have a plane mirror. So, this is my incident and this is my normal. So, this is also a normal. So, this is my angle of incidence, a small angle of incidence. Suppose I will take I, and if you draw the small angle of refraction, so it can able to pass through this point R. Now, so in this case, this line which is parallel to principal axis passes through the focus, okay. Now, I am also again drawing one such line. Let us see that what happens to that line. Suppose this line I am drawing here now, this line, This is also almost parallel. So I will draw the normal like this. In this case, the normal will be like this. Okay. So normal, this angle, huge angle it is making. So you can consider this huge angle as I1. So our R1 is also a huge. So it will be like this, our R1, and it will go like this. Okay. So from here you came to know that, this I1 and R1 both are equal, because angle of reflection means law of reflection, first law of reflection is still valid at any point. So this I1 and R1 both are equal, and here I and R is equal. In this case the ray passes through the focus, but this ray doesn't pass through the focus, although this ray is also parallel to the principal axis. This ray is also parallel to the principal axis, but only this ray passes through the focus, not this ray. Means what we have learned, the definition of focus is actually there is a misconception in the definition. So what is the actual definition of the focus? I am writing here. So I will write focus like this. Focus is a point on the principal axis at which all the rays which is parallel to principal axis and we have to add one extra term, that is close to principal axis, passes after reflection from the mirror, from the concave mirror, or appear to pass in case of convex mirror. Means from this concept I like to give you a notation that focus is not defined for all rays which is parallel to principal axis. It is only defined for those rays which is very close to principal axis and are parallel. So those rays will pass through the focus, and if those rays which are very close to the principal axis but not parallel, so they will meet at the focal plane. Okay. You might have seen in books some kind of rays like this, which is coming like this, and it will meeting at the focal plane here like this. Okay. So focus is not defined for all rays. Now what is the special type of this ray which is very close to principal axis and passes through the focus? These rays are known as paraxial rays. Okay, these rays are known as paraxial ray, while those rays which are also parallel to prism but not passes through the focus are known as marginal rays. Okay, so thank you so much for this. I am just ending my things here. Thank you.